guys, so it's your freshest, newest master baker in town. Yes, by force, by fire. By now, you know, guys, I'm extremely obsessed with Caroline's cake mix, which is making work so much easier. Imagine coming home from work, you're late. I mean, it's late. Your kids are asking you for cake that you promised them to do when, or you've forgotten a loved one's birthday and you want to make it up to them. It's so easy. You go to the supermarket, Carrefour, or you can go to Carrefour and get Caroline's cake mix. And she's also stocking up Naivas, by the way, really, really soon. And you get your, I'm going to make vanilla cupcakes for my teenager who is got shule, so, and I told him I'm going to bake him. So I'm doing this now. And remember, she has ingredients at the back and directions. So it's super duper easy. Yani, I make work so much easier. So I've already preheated my oven. So we do this. So here are the ingredients. She says 160 grams butter or margarine or vegetable oil. I'm going to use a vegetable oil, which is 160 ml. And then 100 ml water. It's here, which I measured. And then 3 eggs are here. Yeah, and that's all. And the cake mix and Caroline's cake mix. I'm going to later, when they're ready, niweke cream hapo. Na ni garnish na raspberry hapa. I'm going to garnish with raspberry. So let's do this. So first things first, directions. She says preheat the oven, which I've already done, to 180 degrees Celsius. I have done that. In a large bowl, add the cake mix. Yeah, so we're gonna do this. Haraka haraka. I'm gonna make more. Oh, there were not enough. Mommy, is there more? So there goes the cake mix. Nakubakisha bebe. All of it there. And then you add our vegetable oil, apple, water there, and then my eggs, my 3 eggs. I love doing that. And then we whisk this. I don't know where my machine is. I used to have a whisk. Okay, let me just do this. In case you don't have like a machine, because I don't know if this gonna work. You can use a whisk, which is readily available. So I'm gonna mix this. If you have, you can add more. If you see it doesn't matter, it's by the book. You can add your blueberries if you want them inside here. You can add some. What else do I like? You can throw in something that you like. But the good thing is, the mix is available. It saves you so much time. You could guess what proportions you should, measure. I get it wrong, or I used to get it wrong before Caroline's cake mix all the time. But not anymore. So I'm mixing it vigorously, like she says. Then what happens after? Then you fill the cupcake wrappers. They're here. I think you can see them over there. And then we're gonna just bake them for 20-25 minutes. Now let's fill our now we're filling up our cupcakes. So these are vanilla cupcakes made using Caroline's cake mix, which is available at Carrefour supermarket. So yes, so these ones are gonna go into the oven now, okay? So as you can tell, my oven is on. I use it for grilling, so that's why you're seeing it's active. So it's gonna go in there for 15 to 18 minutes, and then that's it. And I'm gonna show you how it comes out. So I'll be right back. And our cupcakes are ready. I just baked them for it was 18 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, and they're here, looking yummy. So I'm just gonna plate them. Woo! They're hot. Just gonna plate them. My family's gonna enjoy. Depends on what you call them. Queen cake. I don't know the difference. What's the difference? What is the difference? queen cake, depending I think on where you came from or where you grew up. Kuna queen cake, na kuna cupcakes. I don't know what the difference, I'm just guessing. So there they are. I'm just gonna put a bit kidogo whipped cream. Let's do this. Oh, I'm not a pro, please. There. I really wanted it to be pretty, guys. I don't know why it's done that to me. And then I'm gonna garnish it. There are my cupcakes in less than an hour or 30 minutes or so. So yeah, so go get your Caroline's cake mix over here and make your kids these delicious cupcakes, okay? So it's available at Chandarana and Carrefour. So go get it, Caroline's cake mix. Let's taste this. Oh, I bought them in the shop. Oh, it's a dummy. You didn't even taste it. So that tastes good. Where? Whoa! No.